Hey everybody, this is Brett from Konecranes. You may have heard about it, you may have read about it, you may have even seen it. I'm talking about the new S-Series cranes and this fantastic new synthetic rope. So this thing is just as strong as steel cable. Thousands of hours of testing to make sure that it meets the high standards that everybody expects from Konecranes equipment. This is something that is going to revolutionize the game. No need for lubrication, easy on the reeving. I could go on and on and on. But you're probably sitting there and thinking to yourself, how good is this thing really? And that's what we're here for today. We're going to put this through some real tests to show you just how good it is. Let's find out.